What's hot in supply chain? What are the trends in 2024? In this video, we will reveal the hottest trends for you to be on the know and on the go if you want. Hi, I'm Marcia and I love the intersection between finance and operations. Before diving into today's video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel to know about the intersection between finance and supply chain, to financialize your sales and operations planning. Let's go! Hot trend number 10. ChatGPT for supply chain and procurement practitioner. In 2023, all was about ChatGPT. Even the global conference of the Institute of Supply Management in Dallas, Texas, the opening session started with a question for ChatGPT. This year, 2024, I think that we, as supply chain and procurement practitioners, we will be learning more about and actually using ChatGPT to make our work easier. Maybe we use it for Excel functions, for forecasting and demand planning, or maybe for writing questions in a request for proposal in an RFP. Trend number 9. Dashboards for communication with stakeholders. I love spreadsheets with numbers, but I must admit that to communicate with stakeholders in cross-functional processes like sales and operations business planning, S&OP, or integrated business planning, IBP, spreadsheets can be intimidating. Data visualizations like those from PowerBI are on the right because they provide decent levels of data aggregation so your stakeholders can look at what they care about without having to look at all the other details. Trend number 8. Sustainability. Sustainability is indeed a hot topic. It has been trending in the most recent years. I think 2024 will not be the exception. Sustainable packaging, carbon footprint reduction, you know what I mean. You may have heard about the 5 R's in sustainability that are refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. Do you agree with me that sustainability is here to stay? Hot trend number 7. Procurement has revenue generate. Procurement goes beyond cost saving. It also impacts the top line, the revenue line, in a simple and concise way, with no product available at the right time, place, and cost. There are no sales. I think this year procurement will show their tremendous value, impacting the top and bottom lines. Hot trend number 6. Logistics planning and execution. Logistics will stay on the headline. During COVID-19, there was no capacity or limited capacity for ocean freight. Then, in 2021, we had the Suez Canal blocked for 6 days. And then in 2023, last year, we had the drought in Panama Canal. Now we are starting 2024 with military attacks in the Red Sea. Retailers are stocking up before Chinese New Year by using air and rail alternatives. The logistics world is very dynamic, so I anticipate that logistics will continue to make headlines. Hot trend number 5. Innovation with new product introduction. So important. Let's see the numbers here. In accordance to Nielsen IQ's research, the consumer packaged goods industry, CPG launches on average 30,000 new products per year. New product introductions involve strategy, involve scenario-based simulations to see the impact on the financial. Not only the financial impact of the new items, but also about any product that will be discontinued. Critical area in supply chain. Trend number 4, inventory optimization. Take Apple. The Apple CEO, former Chief Operating Officer where Steve Jobs was there, says that inventory is fundamentally evil. Based on this, is constantly optimizing inventory. The results speak by themselves. Has about 37% in gross margin and inventory times of 3 times a month. Dell has about 17% in gross margin with inventory times of twice a month. Most companies will be focusing on optimizing inventory this year in 2024 for greater profitability and to free up cash. Trend number 3, operations and finance integration, advanced S&OP IBP. The most advanced S&OP processes, also known as integrated business planning, IBP, integrate finance and operations to get the outstanding results that McKinsey, Deloitte, and Oliver White indicate in revenue growth, cost savings, profitability, and working capital. Most advanced sales and operations planning show the financial impact of new product introductions, SKU rationalizations, and operations in different what-if scenarios. This trend of the intersection between supply chain and finance is going up fast. Trend number 2, supply chain in the C-suite. Supply chain made great strides to get a seat at the table during COVID-19. And this year, we are keeping that seat with a supply chain that integrates with finance and with participants that speak the language of the business, the language that the C-suite speak. That language is finance and accounting. Make sure you master them to accelerate your career. Trend number 1, generative AI. AI is impacting supply chain, in particular generative AI. It helps supply chain professionals analyze large amounts of data, generate great insights, and create new powerful content to improve decision making. How about models that analyze large amount of sales data considering seasonality and promotions to create more accurate demand forecasts? This helps the business manage inventory better, allocate resources, and identify market trends in a proactive way. Of course, there are other applications like inventory optimization, transportation and routing optimization, and supplier risk assessment, among other examples. Alright, what do you think? What trends do you see in supply chain for 2024? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Before you go, smash that like button, leave that comment that you are thinking of, and subscribe to my channel to know about the intersection between finance and supply chain to financialize your sales and operations planning. See you in the next video.